Hello, hello friends, welcome to Pandit Invest. I am Dharambi from Kolkata and you are watching me at Pandit Invest YouTube. Let me discuss about the Nifty and the Bank Nifty future Nifty predictions for the month of June 2020. Before going to that, I will discuss about there is too much discount in future and spot levels, Nifty spot, Bank Nifty spot and Nifty future and the Bank Nifty future. Nifty spot and Bank Nifty future difference is 100 points and in Bank Nifty the difference is more than 150 points. So, why this is going to happen? What is the indication of discounting? The either there is lot of short in the system by FIs. So, it means a bearish view and this is condition for three condition can be taken. The FII made short, holding the short. Number 2, due to dividend declared by the Nifty index stocks and there is adjustment of ex dividend. So, that why there is a discount in the future. And thirdly, Morgan Stanley Capital International, there is shifting of stocks. So, there could be such a reason of discounting. But history tells that whenever this kind of situation arise, market react. In March 2020, the Nifty and Nifty spot and Nifty future discount was 150 points and results we know that Nifty fell 30% in 1 month. So, same situation going to be arise or not, we have to keep caution about in coming week, but chart is telling the different thing. The friends, I have given the Nifty prediction and Bank Nifty predictions technical analysis to all my our paid subscribers. So, those who wanted to be a paid subscriber kindly WhatsApp me the WhatsApp number and the website address. Kindly visit the last video that is given there. Those who are interested in the paid subscriber, they will get the technical analysis including Nifty futures and Nifty options calls, including Bank Nifty futures and Bank Nifty option calls and stock futures calls. So, those who are interested, please WhatsApp me, I will give you the hint, and subscription rate are given in the website www.ritapandit25.in. subscription column you can check it that. Only overall view I will give you the hint about the June predictions of the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Friends, in the month of January I recommended that the market given a sell signal on 31st January 2020 and on 2nd Feb 2020 I given the target of the Nifty 11,140 and we did the target. In the month of March I given the target that Nifty will break 10,000 level and Nifty did, and given the target that Nifty will take going to hit 7,500 to 6,800 levels and Nifty hit 7,500 levels and from there it bounced. In the month of April I given the target that Nifty are going to hit near 9,900 to 10,000 mark. So, Nifty did 9890 and hit the target and from there it react. In the month of May I given the target that Nifty if hold 8,500 levels, it can going to be retest 9260, 9,600 and 10,000 levels. So, Nifty did 9260 and also almost 9,600 levels and at current price it is trading near that zone. The next target is 10,000 on the upper side as long Nifty holding above 9260 levels. Similar view in the Bank Nifty, that Bank Nifty as long holding above 18,500, we are going to see an upper level near 20,000 and plus level. So, this is the view of the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the month of coming week. For detailed analysis and breakdown point and breakout point are given to the all my paid subscriber. If you want to be a paid subscriber, please WhatsApp me. I will give you all the videos of the coming with the Elliott wave theory analysis for the month of June 2020. Now, I will talk about a few selective stocks. In last video, I hint you the State Bank of India, that is State Bank of India if able to hold 140 levels, then it going to be turnaround. So, State Bank of India hold 149 levels, that did almost 4 years back the low made 148 and this year low made 149.55 paisa. So, it is holding these levels. So, I am assuming that State Bank of India had done the corrections and is now going to be upward directions. The 180 will the first 177 to 180 will be the first target in SBI, and closing about that level the next target will be 210 to 250 levels. In the case of ICICI Bank, if hold 280 levels on the downside, then I think it will touch 400 very soon. The third stock is Larsen and Toubro. The correction is done in Larsen and Toubro near 685 and done in the month of March 23rd, and now standing near 950 levels. So, if cross or close above 989 rupees, then we are going to see 1100 in Larsen and Toubro. Similarly, in Reliance Industry is holding 1385 levels. So, we are going to see 1700 in RIL. So, this is the view of the few large cap selective stocks, and I have given the direction of the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Those who want to be a paid subscriber, kindly WhatsApp me. WhatsApp number and website address is given in the last video, and you can check it there. Please also see the last video and kindly like this channel. Those who are the new subscriber, kindly press the bell notification and please like this channel. Thank you for watching it.